In this video I'm going to discuss about difference between ecotype and eCADS. This is a very important and complicated topic in population ecology. The term ecotype refers to a distinct population or group of organisms within a species that is adapted to a particular ecological niche or habitat. Ecotypes arise due to local adaptations to specific environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity, soil type, or availability of resources. Ecotypes typically exhibit genetic and phenotypic differences compared to other populations of the same species. These differences can include variations in physical characteristics, physiological traits, behavior, or reproductive strategies that allow them to thrive in their specific habitat. Ecotypes can be found in various organisms, including plants, animals, and microorganisms. For example, in plants, different ecotypes may have variations in leaf shape, size, or tolerance to drought or shade. In animals, ecotypes may differ in fur coloration, body size, or feeding preferences. Microbial ecotypes may show variations in metabolic capabilities or nutrient utilization patterns. Here are some examples with image representative photos of ecotype. In picture A, beech ecotype leaves. In picture B, mountain ecotype leaves. In picture C, D, E, F1 hybrids leaves. In picture F, beech ecotype flower. In picture G, hybrid, B3M, flower, and H, mountain ecotype flower. Black scale bars 141 cm. Smaller red lines represent 1 mm spacing. Now let's discuss about eCADs, also known as ecophenes. These are also called ephemerons or habitat forms, which are environmentally induced variations. They belong to the same genetic stock or species, and the variations in their morphology, in shape, size, number, and reproductive capacity are induced by the environmental influences. In eCADs, the variations are not fixed but are temporary, somatic, and reversible. If one type of eCAD is transplanted into environment of another type of eCAD, the differences would disappear. Keep in mind these morphological variations are not permanent because the genetic composition of eCADs is not affected, and so they are identical in their genetic behavior and interfertile. Okay, now finally let's check an overview of difference between ecotype and eCADs in a table form. The definition of ecotype is a best adapted phenotype of an organism when it lives in a new environment for a longer time. The definition of eCADs is eCADs or ecophene is the first phenotype of an organism or immediate morphological response of an organism when it arrives in a new environment. The adaptations of ecotype is permanent, but in eCADs it is temporary. In ecotype the genes are changed, but there are no changement occur in genes in eCADs. The reversibility of changes is not possible in ecotype, but it is possible in eCADs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel.